right, today we have a product that we purchased ourselves. This is a set of plastic vinyl replacement strip curtains. So essentially, you can use these for a dog door, you can use them for a walk-in freezer, or like a pet house, horse stable, etc. Now, each one of these is 8 feet long. So we have a, let me open it up. What we have it is 7.2 inches wide, and each strip is 8 feet long. So for us, we're going to use this to fix our doggy door that is plastic and broken, and you can easily overlap this and should be able to hang it to keep the weather from coming through the dog door. We will put it together some kind of makeshift way and show you how we used it right here. And so this is how we rigged ours. We took this, cut it into a few different strips, cut these into little strips, and now we have a nice new doggy door here for our dogs. This is perfect to replace a doggy door if you have one similar to ours that has broken. So as I mentioned, the company did not send this to me. We purchased this ourselves to make this doggy door. That should do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.